Welcome to section 17, and in this particular section we're going to take a look at the client image upload. We've done the work on the API and now it's time to do the work on the client. So let's take a look at the learning goals, and really what we've got is a set of tasks to complete. We need to add a profile page so that we've got a place to display the user photos. We're also going to add our own photo upload widget so that we can easily allow, or so that the user can easily upload an image into their photo collection, and we'll use a couple of helpers to help us achieve this. We want them to have the ability to drag and drop an image into a drop zone, so we'll use React Drop Zone to help with that. And we also want them to be able to crop the image and resize it before we send it up to the API and then onwards up to Cloudinary. And we also want to give them the ability to set their main photo, and when they do change their main photo, we're going to want to change that in various different places on the client side, and we want our different components that are displaying images to react to that change as well. So we want to see that updating. So we change our main photo in one place and we see it updating in several others. And by using MobX and observables, that's going to be a pretty easy thing for us to do. And we're also going to take a look at deleting photos as well, of course. And if we take a look at the before and after for this section, then what we have at the moment is the grey world of placeholder images everywhere in our application, in the navbar, in the activities, in the detailed view of the pages. It's grey. Everything's grey. And we'll improve that by adding the ability to upload and display the images for users. So by the time we finish this section, then we're going to start to see images in our application for our users. We're going to see it in the navbar, we're going to see it in the activities, in the attendees, where the user actually has made the effort to upload an image, otherwise we're still going to see the placeholder. But we should be able to hover over these cards and see the image inside the profile cards as well. And if we go to the user's profile, and the one that's currently logged in, then we'll have an images section where we're displaying these photos, and they can switch their main photo and it updates in the header here and in the navbar as well. And that's what we're aiming for in this section. And let's go and implement this.